and fingers crossed that should work. So let's see if we have any errors in the code. So I think we have a bug. Okay, so we have line 37. It doesn't know what jump is. Yes, that's the correct error to have, because jump, I believe, needs to be added, and I haven't added that yet. Here we go. Let's grab that. Put that here. And then we'll have that do the same thing. So we'll have, here we go. Var jump false equals. There we go. Let me just save it and see if that fixes anything. Oops. Okay, some more errors. So line 61, not enough arguments. Line 61, FSM update. Ooh, what did I forget here? So for some reason I forgot to pass elapsed into here. That's what's needed. Just the elapsed here. Okay, so that's been passed into it. 68. Gravity. Yep, that's correct because I haven't passed it through. So make that 600 for now. 83. 83 unknown walk. Oh, because walk needs to be public, right? Is walk public? Walk is public. Here we go. So it should be player.walk. Function. So this is 83. Where does it say speed? No, that's fine. Ah, it's build, or it's finished building. So now let's see if everything is working as expected. So the player is walking, they jump perfectly, they walk perfectly, and they don't slow down when they jump. Perfect, so let's review what we've written. We don't need this anymore, so let's get rid of that. It might run slow because I've got low battery. First thing we did was to uncomment this out because we need to use the add-ons. We imported the Flixel FSM add-on, and we made a new FSM here with the player as our type. And we initialized it here with the whole player as our argument. We made 3 transitions. We made 2 transitions, with the default being grounded. And so to get from grounded to jumping, you press the jump button. To get from jumping to grounded, you land on the ground. We ignored this. Does it give me any details? No, it doesn't. Fine. But take my word for it, you need 2 states and you need the transition, which is a function. It takes an argument, I think, is the player, similar to down here, but I might be wrong. Okay, so once we created this transition kind of thingy, we updated the FSM with elapsed, which is very important, and then we made our 2 classes. So the benefit of having this plugin is your transitions can be classes and not switch case. So this, you can isolate this, you can have these in separate files if you want to, and have this main file smaller. Cool. So we created our jumping class, which is extended from FSM state, type player, because I wanted to get these player specific methods and variables, which isn't inside the Flex sprite. So anyway, creates the class. Once you enter the jumping, so once you hit the jump button up here, then the first thing it's going to do is push the player up, velocity wise, and then as the player is up, it's going to play the jump animation and then allow the player to move left and right, which is cool. Grounded class, what it does is it doesn't have an on enter. Sorry, it's just an enter or an exit. It just updates the whole time. And when you're in the grounded class, it will move the player left and right if they press left and right, the left and right button. Change the speeds based on if they're walking and running. And if they're not pressing any button, it will make them idle. Cool. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Feel free to watch this video again at half the speed if that's possible on YouTube. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. And as usual, like, subscribe, and keep watching these videos.